Hi, good afternoon. So very much volatile day, most probably. So that is the reason I was busy with the trades and classes. So that is the reason my video got delayed. So basically, if you are a safe trader, please stay away from the market for some few days because most probably the market is volatile in both the sides, even in a C side, even in a P side. So maybe you may think that both the trades we can take it, but it won't work in that way. Most probably, but and one more advice from me, especially, you need to follow this on every trades, not only on a volatile day. So never ever buy in a high, never ever sell in a low. So maybe if you are watching or following the previous video, you might get to know why you should not do that. So never ever do that because the most of the people get into the trap because they sell it in a low and they buy it in a high. So that is how the market trap you and it will make you loses. If you miss the entry, that is okay. You can take a next trade or when you are getting a next entry. So you can wait patiently and you can take it on a next trade, that instead of losing money, so waiting is a far better than losing money. So basically, let's check, come to our data, what happened in a volatile day also and how it works. Let's check it out today. So you see motherson 180p is there and 175p also is there. So 182.50p also is there. So basically 182 will be the first target, 180 will be the second target. So 180 will be the second target, correct? So this is how, we need to check at 175 will be the third target. Let's check what happened to motherson today. It got open around 189. So just check it out. So it got open around 189 and where it hit 179. So 180 target hit and they closed around in between 182. So that is what you need to know most probably. So even though if you are keeping a 1 rupee stop loss, almost 10 points you might have gained it. Even in a high volatility, you can hit it. It hit an exact target. 180 will be the target. It hit the target, and after 180 you know there will be a profit booking. Until 175 the mother son is going to be bearish. So let's check what happened any other stocks. Hindustan Petroleum Limited 370p is there. So basically 370 will be the first target. So Hindustan Petroleum, so 370 will be the first target. So if you check what happened over here, it got open around 377 and it came till exactly the target, correct? So it came till exactly the target. So mostly even though it opened in a gap down, but it hit the target. After hitting the target, we know there will be a profit booking and it closed around 371, almost 7 8 points. It looks good even though it went till 364. That is the reason I'm asking you guys to trial it all the time. So mostly if you are trialing it, that will be a good thing when you are trialing it. So let's check any other stocks if we have. So Aarti India, so Aarti India Private Limited, AARTIND. So 600p is there. So one of our student took a trade in Aarti India because there are many people think that yesterday it hit a lower circuit, so most probably so today it will cover up or it open in a gap down, at least it will fill a gap. That is what they thought, but our target told very clearly 600p is there and 570p is there, 620p is there. So basically 620 will be the first target, correct? You see here 620p, top of the first data. 620p, then 600 will be the second target, correct? 600 will be the second target. Until 570 it look bearish. Let's check what happened over here. So it got open around 717. And where we saw the target 620 is the first target, 600 will be the second target, correct? So you see right over here what happened to the data. So even it opened the gap down. Because I did not even check the chart, they told gap down, but then to our data was clear and it was working perfectly. That is the reason I know this. So exactly it hit the target. You see right over here, exactly 620 it hit the target. After 620 we all know there will be a profit booking. It went profit booking. After profit booking finish also, still it look downtrend. It will look downtrend. So if we check any other stock, if we had, so Marico, all this PE, you note down this, all this PE, Marico with 660 CE is there. So basically Marico look bullish even though the market is falling. So 660 will be the first target, you see top of the screen. Okay, 660 will be the first target. So you see right over here what happened. Okay, 646 it got open, it closed around 658. Okay, but is it target hit? It hit the target, correct? 666 it went till 666 it went most probably. So if you are trailing and catching it, okay, almost 6 15 16 points, that would be great when you are trailing and catching it. Okay, so it hit a target. After hitting the target, what we know, okay, we all know, so there will be a profit booking. So they made a profit booking, so most probably nice trailing, even it opened a gap up, small gap up. So if you are buying it, you always see. Okay, even yesterday Marico also, while closing, the data was there, if you are noticing it. Okay, so this is what you need to check it. When it come to Marico, it hit the target exactly as per the data. So let's check what happened to other data. So Bank of Baroda with the 245 PE is there. So 245 will be the first target in Bank of Baroda. So most probably it will open around 245. So we are not going to check it because we are avoiding it. So let's check any other things were there in a Bank of Baroda. Nothing was there. So most probably that's it. So because we are skipping those stocks. So Motherson we already checked. Hindalco with 580 P is there. So basically 580 will be the first target in Hindalco. So let's check what happened over here. Okay, so 635 it got open, it came down. Okay, down towards the target, but that was a huge target, so most probably as a swing they trade it. Okay, so 634 it went a high, so most probably if you are following the data in a real time, okay, so you might have sell it in a high itself, okay, for a target. So it came till 620. Then to, if you are trailing in an intraday basis, 10 points looks good most probably. That is what you need to know for today when it come to Hindalco. But still the target is pending. Okay, still the trend is down when it come to Hindalco most probably till, okay, 580 PE. Okay, till 580 that is going to be look bearish. And REC Limited, Tata Steel we are skipping. Why? Because it is a very less premium. REC Limited with 550 CP is there. So basically 550 will be the first target when it comes to REC Limited. So let's check what happened over here. Okay, let's check what happened over here. 550. So 575 it got open and it went till 567. Okay, if you are trailing and keeping it in intraday basis, this looks good, most of the consolidation. But then too, if you are keeping 1 rupee 2 rupee stop loss, it never hit, but it moving towards the target. So almost, okay, again 10 15 points looks good when it come to REC Limited. So even till 550 there is a target pending most probably. 550 it is going to be bearish. So let's check. Okay, let's check what happened over here. Any other data? HDFC Bank also is there. So 1620 PE. So basically HDFC Bank, okay, 1620 will be the target. And morning if you check, 1600 PE also is there. So 1600 was the target. You check right over here what happened in, okay, HDFC. It opened in a huge gap down. Okay, it opened a huge gap down, it hit exactly the target. After hitting the target, so they were doing small profit booking, and the second target was 1600. So 1600 it hit exactly most probably. Okay, so most probably it hit exactly. So that is what you need to know when it comes to data. And there are a lot of question. Okay, so there are a lot of question, what is the data you are using and what kind of data is this and where you see this data. Okay, so basically I'm going to upload my link. Okay, upload my link under the description. And even though I'm telling you very clearly, okay, so you can see the data after you open a demat account. For opening demat account, you must need Aadhaar card, PAN card. Okay, and last 6 months bank statement you must need. Okay, so these all three documents we need. So after opening demat account, from the demat itself we are showing it. Why? Because it is very easy to buy. So basically it is very easy to buy. Directly you can click and directly you can buy it. So this is how it works. Okay, so I will update my link through the description. So most probably, if you want to see the data, so please check it out over there. But without knowing, without learning how to trade using this data, I will recommend you to not to go for any trade. okay, as per this data, because you don't know where the entry point and where the stop loss you need to keep it and how you need to take an entry based on the data. If you want to learn all these things, okay, contact me through the WhatsApp and contact the session on the live meeting with the live analysis. That will be a completely one-on-one session. So basically, if you want to learn all this data, kindly contact me through my WhatsApp so that I can help you regarding the same. Thank you so much. Have a great day for the today, and most probably we will update, okay, as much as possible videos, more videos about this data. Thank you so much. Have a great day.